Hi everyone, Ashley with Create Lafayette here. I just wanted to show y'all a quick little demo on how to use the printed heat transfer vinyl that we sell in the store now. You buy it in a sheet just like this. It comes with little quick instructions on there already for you. That's just like a little reminder. You know, it has your temperature on there, 300 degrees. It says do not mirror, must use mask. You cut this stuff just like you do sticky vinyl. You do not mirror it, so you just lay it right side up on your cutting mat. And we've been using our cardstock setting. It's working great. I actually did that on accident at first and, you know, just kept doing it because it worked fine. So use your cardstock setting, cut it normally, and then you're going to weed it. This is what it looks like whenever you weed it. The right side up. These actually, all three were done on that paper that I just showed y'all down there. See, it kind of just depends on where you're doing it on the paper, like what it's going to look like. It looks different every time. And I think that's a really cool, you know, aspect of it. So you're going to have to, you do need a mask every time you're going to use this printed heat transfer stuff. We sell the mask in the store. It's $1 per sheet. We have actually stretched the mask up to 4 times now. We haven't really tried anything more than that, but the mask just comes in a sheet that's 12 by 15. We usually recommend try cutting the sheet that you're using either bigger than you need, or like if you're doing a design that's 12 by 12, try to just use the whole mask. That way you can stick it back onto the paper backing and reuse it for the next time. I've also been recommending, like if you buy a few sheets at once, just cut them in some generic sizes, like cut a 4 by 4, a 5 by 5, 6 by 6, and so on and so forth, or you know, whatever design you're doing. Keep it on hand if you're going to make multiples of that, because you can really stretch it. Just whenever it stops sticking to the, like whenever it stops lifting it off of there, just like your regular transfer tape, that's whenever it's time for a new piece. So you don't have to buy one per each sheet of the printed heat transfer stuff. So I'm just going to show y'all really quick how we do this. So as y'all know, we've cut and weeded these already. I'm going to use this one on my little doll shirt. We sell these in the store now too. $6 for a little doll shirt. It fits the 18-inch dolls. So you place the mask over your design just like you would sticky vinyl. Use your little squeegee on there. Let me do this on the table. Probably work a little bit better. Okay, then you're gonna peel it off. Just like this. And that's your heat transfer. You do heat press over this clear stuff. And I just want to make something clear, because I think sometimes it can be a little confusing for beginners especially. This stuff is a heat mask. It's very different than your transfer tape that you use for your adhesive vinyl. So please don't get them confused, because if you would use adhesive transfer tape that we sell on the roll in the store on top of this stuff and then go to heat press it, you would have just a melted blob underneath there, and it's just really not a good idea. So try not to do that. I'm actually gonna unvelcro this doll shirt, and we're gonna go for it. So the temperature that's recommended is 300 degrees, medium pressure, 15 to 20 seconds, and warm peel. And it says do not launder for at least 24 hours after pressing, and always pre-press your garment. What pre-pressing does is it removes any chemicals that may be left over on the shirt from the factory. Just kind of like burns them off of there, and also removes any wrinkles and moisture. So pre-pressing is pretty important for everything that you do. So get in the habit of doing it. If you're ironing, just iron beforehand. So I'm just going to place this over there. Now we're going to press it for 15 to 20 seconds. The printed heat transfer materials that we sell are $6 a sheet. It is roughly 12 by 14 inches. I know there's some negative space on the page, but there's nothing we can do about that. It needs the rollers have to roll in there somehow. So, all right, that was 20 seconds. I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit before I peel my carrier sheet. Now, what you do with your mask afterwards, put it back onto the white stuff. That's how you're going to keep it lint and debris free until the next time you need it. And there you go. This stuff is not recommended for layering. I got a very specific answer from Stalls about it. They said that a lot of their customers do very successfully, but it's not recommended by them. So if you do, you're going to be layering at your own risk. I really don't see a problem with it, but you know, that's just what the manufacturer recommends, so we have to go by that. Just like the glitter, I know a lot of y'all layer that and are really successful with it, and I just still can't recommend it. But there you go. If you guys have any questions, please just ask. Thank you.